Okay, so today we are about to discuss ray diagram. Okay, and image is formed by different images formed by concave mirror. So starting from the first, that if a ray passing through the, if a ray parallel to the principal axis, then it will pass from focus. If a ray like parallel to principal axis, as written here, you can zoom it here. A parallel to principal axis, then it will pass from focus. This is very important to draw the ray diagram. Until you remember this one, you won't be able to draw the ray diagram. So, अगर सिंपल भाषा हिंदी में बताते हैं आपको, अगर एक रे लाइट किरण अगर पैरेलल है प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के तो वो पास करेगा फोकस से. अंडरस्टूड? सेकंड केस इज जस्ट अपोजिट. If a ray passing through the focus, see number, third number, 1 and 3rd is just opposite. No, second number, sorry, 3rd is the center of part. Second number, this one. Passing through the focus. If a ray of light, incident ray of light passing through the focus, then it will become parallel to
principal axis.
Principal axis. This is the second case. This one and this one, 1 and 2, just remember 1 and do the opposite. Tell your mind to do the opposite one. Okay. So if a ray of light parallel to incident ray of light parallel to principal axis, it will pass from focus. And if a incident ray is passing through the focus, then it will become parallel to
Principal axis.
principal axis. Crystal clear?
Yes, sir.
Now move on to the second position. This is the third position. Very easy. That if a ray of light passing through the center of curvature, this, see, center of curvature. If a ray of light passing through the center of curvature, then it will retrace the same path. It will retrace the
Same path.
Yes, we can see. Now, fourth case. Thank God, light came. Now, if an incident ray falls at pole by making angle theta, okay, then it will be reflected by the same angle theta like this. Okay, so incident ray at pole. So if a ray of light, incident ray fall at pole by making angle theta, then it will be reflected back by making the same angle theta. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these are the four cases as you have seen, and the same thing applies. Just mirror will be opposite, but the condition will be same. If it is concave mirror or convex mirror, doesn't matter. Okay. You just have to draw it differently, but conditions will be same. Theorem will be same. In the convex mirror, it also be same. That if a ray parallel to principal axis, it will pass from focus, and if a ray passing through the, if a incident ray passing through the focus, it will become parallel to principal axis. And if a ray passing, incident ray passing through the center of curvature, it will retrace the same path. And if a incident at pole by making angle theta, then it will be reflected back by the same, making the angle same theta. Understood? Now come back to the image formation. First case, when the object is placed between F and P, principal, focus and principal axis. Here is the principal focus and principal axis. Principal pole, not, okay, pole. When the object is placed between F and P. Now as you can see, this object is placed between F and P. So I have taken a ray which is passing through the center of curvature. As you know, I just explained, if a ray of light passing through the center of curvature, then it will retrace the same path. Okay, now you can zoom it here so that you can look them perfectly clear. So if a ray of light passing through the center of curvature, then it retraces the same path. Okay, now another ray parallel to principal axis, as you see, so it is passing from the focus. Okay, now as you see, these two rays will never meet. Correct? Parallel rays will never meet anywhere. Correct? So this is the only case in which a concave mirror gives the irradiant virtual image. Remember this one very precisely. This is the only case when a concave mirror forms virtual and erect image, and behind the mirror. This is the only case. Okay. So there will be misconception in your mind that concave mirror does not form real and virtual and erect image. It forms when the object is placed between F and P, principal, focus and pole. Now see the characteristics. So the image will be formed behind the mirror, erect and virtual, and magnified and enlarged. Okay, magnified and enlarged. Magnified means image जो होगा वो that will be much greater. Magnified and enlarged. Okay, these are the characteristics and this is the image formation. Now, if the object is placed at focus, now just remember the ray diagram. If a ray of light passing through the focus, incident ray passing through the focus, it will become parallel to
Principal
axis. It will become parallel to principal axis. So same condition, if an object is at focus, their image will be formed at infinity. Okay, so here you see, again we have taken, generally we consider two rays, one ray passing from the center of curvature and second passing from the parallel rays passing through the focus. Okay, incident ray parallel to principal axis and it will pass from focus. So we have considered an object at focus and there is a ray, incident ray falling through the center of curvature and incident at the mirror, and then it retraces the same path. Now I have considered another ray that is parallel to principal axis, and we know that if a ray parallel to principal axis, it will become it will pass from focus. So it passes from focus, and as you can see, these two rays will never meet anywhere, right? Never meet anywhere. Okay, so their image will be formed at far off distances, that is infinity, अनंत, जिसका कोई अंत नहीं. तो images will be formed at infinity, real and inverted, highly magnified, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा, much magnified, highly magnified or enlarged. Third case. Now this one you can remember very easily. I made a trick in the class and the girl making the video is also knowing that I call it KFC, I call it FC. When the object is placed between FC, the image will be formed beyond C. Beyonce के पीछे, do you know Beyonce? Beyonce जो एक सिंगर है ना, तो Beyonce के पीछे इमेज बनेगा जब तुम कृष्णा के साथ FC में होगे. कहाँ? KFC में. Okay, तो FC, when the object is placed between FC, the image will be formed beyond
C. Yes, sir.
Beyond C. हाँ, Beyonce के पीछे बनेगा इमेज. Beyonce. तो just to remember, okay? Don't take it otherwise. When the object is placed between F and C, the image will be formed beyond C. Understood? Beyond C, you can call it beyond C if you are knowing how. Real and inverted, magnified and enlarged. See, magnified and enlarged are synonyms. Okay, so you don't have to think much. Magnified means it will be little higher than the height of the object. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Now, come here. 3 more. Now, fourth cases. As you see, when the object is placed at C, अब भाई साहब ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो C पे ही आके बैठ गया, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर एकदम. अब बताओ क्या होगा? वो गुस्सैल आदमी होता है ना, कहता है नहीं हमको सेम हाइट का मिरर दो जिसमें मेरा पूरा इमेज दिखे. हाँ, पागल आदमी टाइप होता है ना, थोड़ा गाँव देहात का, नहीं हमको पूरा दिखना चाहिए, वो वाला इमेज दो. उसको बोलो भैया इमेज वही रहेगा, मतलब मिरर यही रहेगा, आइए आपका पोजीशन चेंज करता है. अब वो इतना रिजिड है, नहीं हट रहा है तो फिर काटी उटी भोग दो, अपने हट जाएगा. ठीक है, तो देखो, if you want to obtain the same size image of an object, then you have to place that object at C, center of curvature. See in this figure, If an object, like for example, this is 5 centimeter, so it will also be 5 centimeter. So if you want the same size image will be obtained at C, real and inverted. This is the characteristics of the image formed at C, center of curvature. And as we know, if we take a ray parallel to the principal axis, it will pass from focus. So it is passed. Now, if a ray passing through the focus, then it will become parallel to principal axis. Correct. So, as you see, a ray parallel to principal axis, it is passing from the focus, and a ray passing through the focus will
Parallel to the
become
principal
parallel to,
axis.
and both are intersecting at this point. So, this is the image formed at C. Okay, understood? So easy.
Yes, sir.
Fifth case, when the object is placed at C. No, beyond C.
Beyond.
Again, beyond C came here. Okay, you remember that beyond C I have explained to you at that place?
Yes, sir.
It was that image was in between FC, then beyond C. Object in between FC, then image formed
C.
beyond C के पीछे बना. जब ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ था? F और C के बीच में. ठीक है. अब क्या हुआ? उसका जस्ट उल्टा. अब ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ चला गया? Beyond C के पीछे. तो इमेज कहाँ बनेगा?
Beyond C के पीछे.
पहले उस कंडीशन में क्या था? When the object in between
F and C.
तो इमेज कहाँ बना?
Beyond C.
Beyond C के पीछे. अब ऑब्जेक्ट चल गया Beyond C के पीछे.
तो फिर
इमेज कहाँ बनेगा? उसका जस्ट उल्टा. F और C
के बीच में.
करेक्ट ना? See here. Now object is beyond C. Beyond C के पीछे ऑब्जेक्ट चला गया. तो इमेज कहाँ बनेगा?
Between F and C.
इमेज बनेगा यहाँ. कहाँ? Between C and F. In that case number 3, as you can see, when the object in between F and C, then image formed beyond C, and when the object is beyond C, the image will be formed in between F and C. There is a song like this, no? When the object in between F and C, the image will be formed beyond C. Understood? When the object in between F and C, in that case, F and C, object, then image will be formed beyond C. And when the object beyond C, the image will be formed between
F and C.
Okay? And these are the characteristics. As you see, again we have taken consider two rays. As you can say, one parallel to the
Principal axis.
passing through a focus, and one I have taken from the center of curvature. It traces the same path, and it is cutting, intersecting at this point. So this is the image form. Now, with characteristics of image, you have to write between F and C. Correct? Real and inverted, smaller, diminished, छोटा बनेगा. Diminished मतलब छोटा. Sometimes many students do not know, sir, what do you mean by diminished? Diminished means छोटा, कुछ नहीं, छोटा. जितना बड़ा ऑब्जेक्ट है उससे थोड़ा छोटा. Okay? Last but not the least, now I am sorting out. Okay. 6 number. When the object is placed at infinity, just go to that case when the object is placed at F. Case number 2. When the object is placed at focus, image will be formed at
Infinity.
just opposite.
Sir, focus.
When the object is at infinity, then see, it's very easy to remember if you just consider and just think and meditate and say to your mind like this: if a ray of light, incident ray parallel to principal axis, sing in your mind, with incident ray parallel to principal axis, it will pass from focus. If an incident ray passing through the focus, it will become parallel to principal axis. if an incident ray passing through the center of curvature, then it will retrace the same path. If an incident ray making angle theta incident at pole, if a ray parallel to principal axis, it will pass from focus, and if a ray passing through the focus, it will become parallel to principal axis, and if a ray passing through the center of curvature, it will retrace the same path. Incident ray incidenting by making angle theta at pole, by the making the same angle, it will be reflected. Understood? Now, image formation. You see, if the object is placed in between F and P, then the image will be formed behind the mirror. Okay, erect and virtual and high magnified. Okay, when the object is placed at F, then the image will be formed at infinity. When the object is placed between F and C, then the image will be formed beyond C. Now, if the object is placed at center of curvature, the image will be formed at C, at the center of curvature, real inverted and same size. If the object is placed beyond C, right, the image will be formed between F and C, just opposite. And when the object is placed at infinity, then the image will be formed at focus. Okay, understood? Jai Hind, everyone.